Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks you might have known about the Chinese keyboard.
My first tip is how to type the U vowel, the middle dot, and the enumeration comma. First, to type the U vowel, or to save pinyin in general, type in the pinyin you want, then click out of the document, and as you can see, it preserves both versions of the pinyin, and it also preserves this U vowel. Next, to type the middle dot, go to your top left of your keyboard and just press on the tilde key. Finally, the enumeration comma, just press the backslash button. My second tip is how to type in full with quotation marks. As you can see in the Arial font, the quotation marks are not full width. And this is because they're using the English punctuation. However, if you go into more fonts, select a Chinese script like Noto Sans, and choose that as your font, as you can see, the quotes are rendered as full width. My third tip is how to switch between simplified and traditional characters. So go into your settings, go into your language and region, go to Chinese, press language options, then go to Microsoft Pinyin keyboard options, and then press keys. And make sure you turn on the hotkeys for simplified and traditional Chinese input switch. Then as you can see, when I type in Guanmen, this is in simplified, but after pressing Ctrl-Shift-F, Guanmen, as you can see, it also types in the traditional version as well. This is a pretty common tip, but you don't have to type the entire pinyin to type in a sentence. For example, if I wanted to type 心不在焉, this is a lot of keystrokes, but I don't need to do that. I can also do XBZY, and I can get the same result. My fifth tip is how to type in fuzzy pinyin. So go back to Microsoft Pinyin, go to General, then scroll down and turn on fuzzy pinyin. Now you can type in ZAN, and as you can see, you can type in Zhang even though the actual pinyin for Zhang is ZHANG. My sixth tip is if you want to type in full width characters. So right click on the yin and then choose character width full width. And now you can type in things like this. My final tip is how to type in surnames. For example, if I wanted to type the Ni surname, I would have to scroll all the way to 6 in order to find it. However, if I press semicolon R, then it becomes the first result because you're in 人名输入模式, and this makes it really easy to type in people's names.
Thank you for watching. I hope you took something useful out of the video and you learned something new about the Chinese keyboard. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.